The 1992 240 SX, excuse me. Just got this car like 2 weeks ago. My ignition doesn't work. Well, it works, but I gotta wiggle it a lot, which is a common issue with these 240s. You can bypass that by installing a starter button or a push start button. Very basic installation I did here. I didn't go directly to the starter, so I just did it through the ignition. You gotta find this connector right here, which goes to your ignition thing, and here's the connector back here. It just hangs back here. You open it up, it's probably this brown thing in there. And I hooked it up. I did what do you call that? Fuck. It still works up there with the key, but just in case, if this ever fails, I can use the key. If it ever fucking starts again, excuse my language. But this is how I installed it. Yellow and black, and the black one is to the button, and then black and white, and back to the button again. If you ground those two, it makes the starter start, well, through that wiring system. As you see there, black and white, yellow, red. I put the switch here. I also got a fuse for it, just in case. It was like $6 for the fuse. It's this black wire right here is a fuse connection, just in case, even though probably don't need it, but better safe than sorry. And I'm just gonna slide that up in there. Yeah, got this from Napa for $6. Hold on a second. Just want to show y'all how it works. Neutral, clutch all the way in, on, hear the fuel pump, and press it. Currently I gotta accelerate the engine some, but I was just showing you all that actually works. Yeah. Currently found out that my second cylinder does not have proper compression. So now I'm gonna find out somebody that can fix it for me, because I don't have time to fix it. And then now I found out that this crap is completely cracked, and it just lay there like that. But once I put that bottom part in, it makes it even. So yeah, good lord. And then I also found out that the guy told me that the window rolls down, but it's not connected in there, but it's actually connected in there. So now it's probably just a relay switch that needs to be fixed. But yeah, wish he would have told me instead of saying, hey, it don't work. I mean, instead of saying, hey, you need to connect this crap over here. You know what I'm saying? But that's life. So there you go. That's how I wired my push start button, because I was tired of wiggling this ignition switch. Yeah, you can change it and stuff, but it's a lot of more money than just spend like what, $12 on this. Yeah, and that's all gonna be hidden down there. So yep, if you like this video, please let me know. Soon I'll be having more content, hopefully. I'm not sure, depending what's gonna happen to the build, to rebuild this engine. So yeah, excuse that loud ass sound. I don't know who the hell that is. So thank you, and thanks for watching.